In the quaint village of Wiltshire, England, known for its picturesque landscapes and ancient ruins, a series of mysterious crop circles began appearing in the summer of 1992. These intricate patterns were not only larger and more complex than any seen before, but they were also accompanied by an unsettling silence that seemed to settle over the countryside. The local populace, accustomed to occasional whispers of the unexplained, found this new development both fascinating and deeply disturbing. On a foggy morning in late July, the village was shaken by the discovery of a body in the centre of the most recent crop circle. The victim was Thomas Fletcher, a local journalist known for his sceptical views on paranormal phenomena. Thomas had been working on a piece debunking the crop circle mystery, aiming to expose them as the work of clever hoaxers. The position of his body, precisely at the nexus of the crop pattern, and the lack of any discernible cause of death, only deepened the mystery and fear surrounding these enigmatic formations. Detective Sarah Gilchrist was assigned to the case, her logical mind struggling to tie the rationale to the eerie circumstances surrounding Thomas's death. Her investigation revealed that the crop circle's appearances correlated with ancient ley lines, paths believed to carry spiritual energy across the earth. Each formation's location seemed intentionally selected, aligning with these mystical roots. As Sarah delved deeper, she encountered resistance from locals who whispered of old legends and curses too dangerous to disturb. Sarah's research led her to uncover records of similar occurrences dating back centuries, with each incident followed by unexplained disappearances or tragedies. It appeared that every few generations the crop circles would return, each time heralding misfortune or chaos. Intrigued and unsettled, Sarah interviewed the town's elders, who reluctantly spoke of an ancient pact and a spectral figure seen roaming the fields at night, guarding the secrets of the circles. Determined to observe the phenomenon firsthand, Sarah and a team of paranormal experts spent several nights in the fields. Equipped with night vision cameras and electromagnetic sensors, they captured fleeting images of shadows moving with intelligent intent and recordings filled with whispers in a language no one could identify. The equipment registered anomalies they couldn't explain, blurring the lines between their scientific expectations and the spectre of the unknown. As the investigation continued, another body was discovered under similar mysterious circumstances. The victim was one of the paranormal experts who had claimed to have made a breakthrough in decoding the patterns. With two deaths now linked to the crop circles, panic swept through the village. The crop circles were no longer just a curiosity, but a harbinger of death, feared by all who dared to pry into their origins. With the case unresolved and the community in fear, Sarah had no choice but to close the investigation, leaving the mystery of the crop circles and their lethal implications hanging in the air. The fields of Wiltshire remained undisturbed, the eerie formations no longer sought out by the curious. The shadows in the grain stood as a chilling reminder of the unknown forces that may lurk just beyond the edge of human understanding, waiting for the next unwary soul to uncover their ancient secrets. Crop circles, those perplexing patterns that appear overnight in fields, have long mystified observers with their eerie precision and inexplicable complexity. Often discovered at dawn as if crafted by unseen hands, these formations range from simple circles to elaborate pictograms that span acres of crop fields. The phenomenon primarily occurs in rural areas with a high concentration in southern England, where the lush landscapes seem to become canvases for these mysterious designs. Theories about their origins abound, from natural atmospheric phenomena and human pranksters to otherworldly beings, each adding a layer of intrigue and unease to the mystery. This includes recent sightings during the summer of 2024, in which a farm in a rural village in Wiltshire, England, arose one morning to an inexplicable event. A massive pattern had been carved into a large field with no signs of human footprints or outside interaction that was of this world. There were also traces of what could only be described as cosmic rock and metal that could have only come from a non-Earth planetary structure or cosmic element. The appearance of crop circles is frequently associated with strange occurrences. Unexplained lights in the night sky, sudden drops in temperature, and electronic devices malfunctioning inexplicably, as if affected by a powerful electromagnetic field. Witnesses near the sites during their formation report a profound silence pierced only by the faint, almost ultrasonic buzz that fades as quickly as it arises. This unsettling ambience intensifies the mystery, suggesting that the circles are not mere pranks, but perhaps manifestations of something far beyond our current understanding. The cryptic nature of crop circles fuels not only scientific curiosity, but also a darker fascination. In popular culture, they are often linked to paranormal activity or alien interaction, portrayed as harbingers of otherworldly messages or experiments. This aura of the unknown transforms the fields into places of spectral beauty, but also zones of disquiet, where the earth itself seems to communicate in a language both mesmerizing and terrifying. Each new formation invites more questions than it answers, weaving a perennial tale of wonder and apprehension that continues to haunt and captivate the imagination.